side. You tourists to Ireland who yearly come around, see all our beauties and spend a few pounds. Don't forget for to visit our small town so fair, by the banks of the Barrow in the county Kildare. And ancient foundations from long days of yours, industrious people 3,000 or more. No wonder the Normans could never pass by, so they stopped and they founded this town of the time. They're not on that smile as they pass down the street, the decentest people that you'll ever meet. And all the fine lassies they dolled out in style, from Bullitt and Mullen, sweet Ballafine. And if you feel like you drop into a bar, sing and chat with the locals, throw back a few jars. Sure you'll never notice the evening go by in the beautiful famous fair town of the time. And then to the market they all gathered there, from every far quarter of the county Kildare. As there on the street side the traders display the fruits of their labour and various wear. If you look through the rags you'll never know what you'll find, a shirt with no button or a clock with no time. Sure you fit out the family with the fine things you buy, for a fiver on the Tuesday in the town of the time. If it's culture you want, then you're in the right place, for history and poetry, music and graces. Woodstock and White's Castle, so stately and tall, the Cromwell Bridge and the famous town hall. Emily Square and St. Dominic's, that church of renown, with its fine architecture, the pride of the town. No doubt in the world but that nature did smile on the beautiful famous fair town of the time. Take a look round this countryside, fertile and grand, surrounded by rich agricultural land. Not forgetting our woodlands, our hillsides and bogs, famous for footballing, horses and dogs. So if you come for the visit, then maybe we'll meet around by the courthouse or up Leinster Street. We'll go into O'Brien's, raise our glasses on high, and we'll drink a fine health to the town of the time. And we'll drink a fine health to the town of the time.
Yahoo! Come on, Rob. Well done.